Hello, this is Alice from LandPack Machinery. Today I would like to introduce you one of our sliced lemon packaging system. The machine behind me is the packing machine system. It's to automatic feeding, weighing and packing the fresh sliced lemon into the pillow bag. This is the finished product. Okay, the first part is the feeding conveyor. Your worker just need to put the sliced lemon into this vibrating hopper, and then it will automatically vibrating and feeding onto the conveyor up to the 24 head square. The fresh sliced lemon will be pouring down from this outlet of the elevator, and here there are two sensors here to control the material level. It's to ensure that the material won't be too much or too less. And this is the dimple plate design on the 24 head square. It's to avoid the fresh product and the wet product sticky on the surface to ensure it's easier to filling. And here you can see there are slightly V-shaped design of the weigher. Is to ensure the lemon can fit into the hopper one by one. It can better control the accuracy of the weighing process. This is the main packing machine. Here is the control panel. You can set the speed, product length on this touch screen. And here is the bag former. One bag size will need one unit bag former. And this is the vertical sealing. This is the horizontal sealing. Here you can see we have equipped with a sponge on the horizontal sealing. It's to remove the air from the bag. Now let's check how each part of the machine works. Okay, that's all for my today's introduction. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, just contact us for further support. Thank you. Bye-bye.